What's up, good people? It's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Just want to thank you for stopping by the channel today. Today will be a review of the IBT 26S 5G thermometer by INKBIRD. So stick around, let's get it. Before we jump into the unboxing, I just want to thank the people at INKBIRD for sending this unit out to me. They sent it out for me to check out. This will be an honest review. I'll tell you what I really think about it. So let's get over here to the table and we'll get into this thing and see how it works. All right, people, so here is our INKBIRD IBT 26S 5G in the box. And the first thing I noticed about the box, it is a well-constructed box, so I don't believe this will have any damage. Just looking around, we have a scan code here. As you can see, you'll just scan this to download the app to your phone. Have a little plaques here, so it tells about our app, tells about the temperature, it tells about the magnet on there, the timer, the recharger, temperature, alert. On the bottom, it says we support 6 probes. It is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and a 5G gigahertz Wi-Fi as well. So let's crack into this box and see what we have. All right, people, so let's go ahead and open this box and see what we have inside. All right, first, it looks like we have the instruction manual here. There's a lot of good information in here. It looks like it's telling about the icons that's on the display here and what they all mean. Once again, there we have the QR code to where we're able to download the app, and it'll walk us through the process there. That's what these pages look like. It looks like it's gonna walk us through how to set this up through the app on your phone. A lot of good information in here, so we'll dive into this a little bit more a little later. All right, so here is our actual unit here. Let's go ahead and take this off. Oh man, that is a nice looking unit there. It's not too heavy, but it does have some weight to it. Let's check it out. See, we have the charging port here. Looks like a USB. On this side, we have 3 of the probes. They're listed 1, 2, and 3. On this other side, looks like we have 4 and 5, and then we have 1 slot for oven. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll try to pull it up to the camera a little bit more. INKBIRD says that this is equipped with a 5G clip, and man, it just looks good. Have the champagne gold outline around the screen here. Nice sleek design here, fits in your hand well. So we will get this on and check it out here in just a little bit. But first, let's check out what's in our box. See, okay. First of all, looks like they give us 2 clips here for our grill. And that is awesome. So if you lose one, you have an extra backup. As you can see, it has the 3 different hole size if you want to do different probes. Has it on both sides, you'll just stick it through, put it on your grill, monitor your temperatures without your probes falling into your grill. So that's awesome. Let's see what else we have. And this is our USB cord to charge. And last but not least, it looks like we have 4 color-coded probes here. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is a good amount. They look nice and sturdy. Feels good. It's got this wire cord, so you don't have to worry about that getting damaged due to high heat. Looks like they are color coded. As you can see, we have 4 different colors here. So that is a good amount of probes to come with one unit. All right, so let's take a better look at the device here. So INKBIRD says this comes with a 5G chip, which makes the timing faster, low latency. Also, this is the first thermometer on the market that has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you're connected to Bluetooth and run out of range, it's connected to Wi-Fi, so you will never have a drop in your monitoring of your temperature. So you could connect this to Wi-Fi, run to the store, run some errands, and still be able to check and see what the condition of your proteins are on your grill. So that is amazing. You won't have to worry about ruining any of your cooks due to not being around. You can always pull out the INKBIRD and check out your temperatures. Okay, let's see if we have a charge on this at all. We may have to charge it. Hitting the power button here. Oh yeah. Man, first of all, just checking it out, that is a very clear backlit screen. As you can see, we have the battery life there. We just have a little bit of battery. It looks like an alarm here. We have the cooking temp of the protein, and then we have ambient temperature here. All right, so let's plug in one of these probes here and see what we get. It instantly comes up on the reading there. Let's take this cap off here. And look at that, instantly starts reading. Hardly no latency at all there. And it is on Celsius, so let's get in here and see if we can't change it over. Guess we'll need the app for that. So we will check out the app now. Allow to share my Wi-Fi. Go back. Then we'll put in the password. We'll hit next. Looks like it's pairing the device. And we are connected. So let's take a look around in the app here. Okay, as you can see at the top there, it says we are connected Bluetooth and we're connected to Wi-Fi. So let's throw in one of these probes and see what it looks like once it registers on our screen here. It instantly comes up. We have a timer there. Temperature for different meats here. As you can see, we have a host. We have fish, sausage, turkey, chicken. It just continues to go. Lamb, beef steak, ribs, roast, veal steaks. Man, it's a bunch of options there. Hamburger. They didn't leave anything out of this. So you can pick your type of meat. You can go custom temperatures down here. Let's say we're gonna do ribs. It'll go ahead and give us what we want. We want rare, medium rare, well. So let's say well done. And there you go, you have the custom temperature, but we need to change that to Fahrenheit. So let's jump in the settings here. We'll change it over to Fahrenheit, go back. We'll take a look again. And there it is, it's the 145. So this interface is really user-friendly. I mean, they didn't spare any expense in making this. So I'm looking forward to using this in the field. So we will test this out and see how it does. All right, guys, we're about to wrap this video up. I have used this thermometer and I am a fan of it. There are a bunch of these thermometers out there, this style, but I'm telling you, this INKBIRD is a step above. It's the only one that has the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. I tested it out during my cook. I was over at my neighbor's house, ran a couple of errands, went down the road. I never lost connectivity. This thing is a very good thermometer for the price. So I will leave the link in the description if you want to pick yourself up one, run over to Amazon, grab you one. You will not be disappointed. Just want to thank the people at INKBIRD again for sending me this out. I want to thank you for watching this video, and until next time, we'll see you guys.